Hope you brought your wood screws, Dad.
I'm gonna blow your doors completely off.
All right, what are we doing today? Gonna get these doors apart?
Being a monkey. Yeah.
You're being a monkey? No, we gotta take these doors off and make it lighter so we can pick it up. Good?
Yep.
We gotta pull these hinges off.
How are we gonna do that? There's no bolts like that.
What the f is that? I don't know what that is. That sucks. That's some 1940s crap there. I don't know. There must be a tool for that, but we'll figure it out. All right, let's do it. I don't know, buddy. This stuff's old. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Sweet. Take that. You gotta... Did you drop it?
No.
Is it because I didn't say don't drop it yet?
Yeah.
What happened to your face?
I have no idea how I'm gonna do this.
You'll figure it out. You're up. Punch. Your punch must be bottom. Yeah, let me get you a longer punch. You hit my fingers. You're in trouble. Go ahead. I'll get it. Go ahead. Okay, wait. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's free willy, man.
Oh yeah. It's staying. Oh, we got it.
That's it.
We took door one off.
Doors off the doorknob thing. Why did I say it?
Oh, that's good. That'll be lighter. One down. I got that in a video.
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
I slipped off the dark.
Hit it like you got it, Seth. Hit it. There you go. That one's free. Nice work.
He gated himself.
Go for the upper one.
That was unfortunate. But yeah.
There you go. Hit that, baby.
Oh, it's almost out. Stop.
Okay, ready? Baby.
That's it for today, guys. The doors are done. We got them all.
Well, the sun's getting a real go, big guy. Like and subscribe. See you next time.
Alright.